Hello?
How do we manifest the love we feel inside into human relationships? I feel the frustration of trying to get it across.
Well, the frustration is because it's due to the fact that you're looking for a reaction from somebody else. You're defining the way in which you feel your love is working by how somebody reacts. You look at every being and you see that they're another being, and they're a being that is only, all you can feel is love for them. And later, you stop demanding they be anything in return, that they say, oh, I feel so loved, or thank you for loving me, or I love you too, you too, you too.
Thank you.